Today, we are going to paint stainless steel. Use a tangent technique to outline the basic shape of the stainless steel. For the shaping, I'm using medium carbon. Determine the light source. Pay attention to the variation in projection lines. When painting stainless steel, we need to consider texture. So, from the specific shape, your line work should focus on expressing the texture for painting the specific form of stainless steel. Ignore the reflective changes at first. Avoid making the content of the painting too fragmented. Observe how the projection shape changes. It changes according to the variation in the backdrop. Then, we move to the coloring stage. First, unify the light source. Then, further push the colors. Here, I am using a very soft tool. When laying down the color, I recommend using side strokes. For the heavier colors on the stainless steel, apply them in one go if possible. Observe the changing areas. When applying the color, the direction of the lines should always follow the structure of the volume. Then, for the small label on the stainless steel, for the smudging step, I'm using tissues, a sponge ball, and a sponge pen. When wiping stainless steel, first wipe away the vertical color. Observe its changes and control the strength of your wiping. This small sponge pen is very useful, usually when you need to reduce contrast. You can use the highlight eraser or a soft eraser to brighten the area. What you wipe should express the texture of the object. There are many ways to achieve this. Once the relationship of the stainless steel is adjusted, we need to shape it. For shaping, I am using medium carbon. When shaping, first finish the vertical color area of the stainless steel. Then, when shaping the stainless steel, keep your brushwork clean. Use slightly harder lines to give a sense of strength. Did you learn it?